Everyone's ready?
We have students from our Amazon Think Big space participating in the Amazon Think Big Circle, where we're connecting almost 500 students from across the world in one day.
We are running the Tangible World Cup. So this is a competition using one of the Think Big resources, Tangible, where children use jigsaw pieces to make their code. Right now we're taking part in a tournament alongside teams from Peru, from Chile, from Ireland, from the UK, from the USA, from all over the world, from Brazil. It is very, very exciting. It's all happening live as we speak.
We're basically doing like arrows and like we're trying to do directions, but with coding.
This is, to be honest, as an educator, this is a dream come true. Knowing that I have others that I can count on, that I can support, and we can reach out and we can have a global collaboration. I've heard students that want to be programmers. I've heard students that want to do coding. They don't understand that they're coding when they play their games, but this opportunity gives them to see how it works on the inside to be able to program the code in order to be successful.
I'm looking forward to high technology and artificial intelligence.
We need more students to be engaged with STEM. It's the future. We're innovating and we're designing and creating all the opportunities that are involved with STEM education. And there are so many roles that we don't know will exist in the future that we need to prepare our students for today so they can have the skill sets and core skills that they need to be the next innovators and creative futures.